Alright guys, hello, welcome back, and we are live recording for 14th of May. Live trading technical analysis for Forex currencies and some commodities. So we jump right into this. So looking at my positions right now, I have two positions, Aussie dollar and pound dollar. So we're currently making some profits on both of them. And yeah, my account, if I were to take profit now, I would make like probably about 25%, given I started at $100. So let's see what we should be doing today. So I'll start off with Aussie dollar. So we shorted here and it's still down, downtrending, so we're making some money, some profits, unrealized profit yet. So trend is down, and but it's getting close to a pretty flat line based on the margin of error for the 49 SMA, even though it's down. So we would be looking at once it starts getting flat, we don't really want to stay in for too long. So starting to get very close to flat, so I think we might want to start getting out of the position. Let's see. So red line down, blue line down, and series of lower high and lower low. But given that this lower, this low over here, it's and this, it kind of feels like it's starting to make a higher low. So we might want to look at taking some. We might want to consider taking profits here, or even move our stop loss. That being said, how much are we making on Aussie dollar? So Aussie dollar, we're making $12+ don't really like the picture here, given that it's very on the sideline. So I think I would take profits here. So I'm just gonna close out. So how do I buy? Just gonna buy at market. So I haven't been using this platform before, so I'm just gonna buy out. How many units there? By 800. So just gonna close at market and profit, close, sell, trade. There we go, done. So we have bought back at 64.39 at 800, so we close with some profits. And yeah, profit. Alright, great, so we're done. So back to this, lines are getting a bit too side lines in terms of the trend, and don't really like to see this picture. Who don't want to be shorting this, given that, you know, if the price stays over here the next few days, we would be looking at a trend that probably start to turn up. So best to just stay out of the picture over here. So can we even long this? Let me see. So probably not yet. Give it a few days more. Yeah, it's better to get out fast, get out too soon. I think it's better than just trying to squeeze every bit out of it. So don't really see a buy opportunity here, so just skip it out, because based on the moving average of the blue line, which is the red line is a moving average of the blue line. So it'll take probably 1 or 2 weeks before we start to see a buy pattern coming out. So just gotta hang on for it first. So okay, we're done for this. Euro dollar, right off the bat, very flat. Let me see. Maybe it's my chart. So yeah, we are seeing a pretty flat pricing, but towards let's see. So with the pink line down, and Yeah, it's just too flat. I don't want to touch this market. Given that, you know, even if the price stays around here and it starts to drop off, so drop off the higher numbers, yeah, I'd rather just stay on the sidelines. Nothing much to see over in euro dollar. For pound, which is what we are currently in position, making a little bit of profits. So let's see. So downtrend, and over the next couple of days, we will be seeing that it will actually start to take off higher numbers. That means it'll start to get these numbers in. So we would be looking at the trend line starts to get a bit flatter. So let's just see over the next 2-3 days. But we are hitting some kind of price line over here, which is the support line. But let's see, we could actually move our profits, and based on the red and the blue line, both they're pointing down, so definitely on a concurrent mode. So so we might start to take profits over the next 2-3 days, and definitely move our stop loss. And let's see, if we were to move our stop loss to price will start to be a bit too bullish, it might, yeah, gonna move my stop loss just to make it tighter. We'll move it to the high of this 1.235, which is the high of this candle. 1.235. Let's see, how do I change stop loss? 1.235. Am I done? Stop loss 1 point. How do I do this? Maybe this button. Stop loss order 1.235. Modify. Okay, order modify, sell price at 1.23. Nope, wait, stop 1.235. Yeah. So pound 1.235, which is the high of this. Hey, sorry, wait. That's the low of it. No, it should be the high. What am I doing? Oh, I made a mistake. It should be the high of this. Which is 1.246. Let me just modify it. Which is high of this is 1.246. 1.246. Alright. Stop loss modified. Alright, stop loss 1.246. Okay, good. What's next? Okay, gold. So I don't really like to trade gold actually, given that it's highly manipulated. Ever since can't remember when was that, but the price dropped one day 30%. So I think it was 2011 if I'm not wrong. Should be this. Yeah. Is it this one? Yeah, this is the one. So it dropped 30%, and it's at 2011. And ever since then, I didn't really trusted this market. But let's give it a shot nonetheless. In case some of you guys are keen to buy or trade this market, because well, it's gold, right? So trend is up, and strongly up probably. Signs of it not slowing down anytime soon. In fact, given that there's a choppy market, but who look to buy based on this uptrend, but the red and the blue line is not showing yet in terms of anytime coming off soon. So we'll probably need to wait for a bit more if for a buy opportunity, probably say about 3, 4, 5 days ahead. Right now the lines are not showing buy, so especially the red line is just so flat, so we don't want to be in a position where it's concurrent mode, which is the pink line and the red line is turning up, or there's an anticipation that it will turn up soon. So we don't see that yet, so we just skip this. But something we can look to buy. Let me see how much margin is required to buy the smallest number of units. So it's I need 486 margin, so I can't trade this market anytime soon based on my account value. So just oh mate, let's see. Zero point 0.0001. Okay, so the smallest unit is 0.4 units, which is required margin is 194. So let's just build up more profits in the account before we touch this market. And nonetheless, nothing to do over here, just gotta wait it out for a good trend. Next one is gas, natural gas, commodity, cash. Choppy market based on the pink line, so nothing to trade, but strong down price movements and at recent low of the blue line. So we are looking at a strong temporary downtrend, but based on the overall trend, which is the 49 SMA, there's nothing to be done. So moving on, platinum cash, let's see. Just get rid of this. Trend is down, but moving towards a couple of days where it starts to get flatter and flatter and even start to turn up. So we are seeing divergence of price showing weaknesses, but whereas no, not divergence. Yeah, so downtrend, but over the next few days, will be the trend line, which is the pink line, will start to become flatter and flatter. So nothing we don't want to be trading his. Okay, next up is Canadian Loonies, uptrend, strong uptrend. Definitely looking to buy and see where there's opportunity. Divergence on the blue line, so the price went up a little. And where did we enter this? Oh, maybe not enough margin. Okay, but anyway, let's see. So price is looking pretty good in terms of upwards movement, so we could actually long the market. Yeah, let's just buy the market. Let's see. So margin requires 35. Yep, good. And for things to start turning, picture to start turning a bit too bearish, let's see. We could put a tight stop loss, and for it to start turning a bit too down, we want to cap it at the low of this, or even the close of this. Let's see, close 1.3927. 1.3927. 3927. Let's buy. And stop loss 1.3927. Okay. So market order. Yeah, okay, now we're good. So close of this, which is our stop loss, we're gonna buy. Close 1.3927, that's our stop loss, good. And am I seeing anything, missing anything here? Buy. What happened to my orders? 13927. Okay, place market order. All right, we bought. So we bought 500 units, and at 1.41024, and our stop loss at the close of this candle, which is 1.3927. So great, we entered. Okay, so let's move on. Dollar yen. Okay, so trend line is starting to turn upwards. But it's been having choppiness in this area for a very long time, and although we could make a case to long the market given that it's starting to turn up, but if price doesn't move up anytime soon, we are not going to see a good trade. So could look to buy over the next couple of days, but the overall trend is not strong, so we don't want to be in the market if trend is not strong. So rather wait it out and see how things goes. Don't have to be too eager to enter this market given that the trend is not strong, so I'll skip this. Yeah, so that's it for my analysis for today, and we covered how many markets? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 markets. So yeah, I will that's all, and do follow me, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you like to hear in terms of which markets. Maybe you have some markets they like me to look at, and I do day trade, so I will look at the charts on a daily basis, and hope you will find it helpful. Alright, see you guys, bye.